Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer, your home for the most authentic vintage motorcycles still up for sale today. In this episode, we're exploring 10 classic bikes under $10,000. Let's dive right in. 1. 1971 BMW R75/5 short wheelbase, $7,500, Austin, Texas. A true classic from BMW's golden age. The 1971 R75/5 features a 745cc Boxer twin engine, both electric and kickstart, and that beautiful short wheelbase frame for precise, nimble handling. This one has been converted into a tasteful Cathay racer, complete with a custom seat and black paint with a subtle white stripe. It's been stored indoors since 2015, and the engine still turns freely. It only needs a new battery and carb cleaning to hit the road again. The chrome shows light patina, but that's part of its timeless charm. With a clean title and vintage presence, this BMW is perfect for riders who love German precision and classic cafe aesthetics. Number 2. 1983 Yamaha DT100, $800, Brunswick, Georgia. Here's an affordable two-stroke icon, the 1983 Yamaha DT100. This bike has been restored and refreshed with a rebuilt top end, new plastics, new clutch, and tons of replacement parts. The seller mentions a carburetor issue, but when it runs, it's pure 1980s trail fun, light, torquey, and full of character. For just $800, it's a great project bike or even a daily fun machine for light off-road adventures. Vintage Japanese trail bikes like this are becoming harder to find, especially ones that still have good bones. Number 3. 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $2,500, Port St. Lucie, Florida. A true Ironhead classic, this 1976 Sportster still packs attitude. It features an S&S Shorty E-Carb, new Barnett clutch, and fresh oil service. The engine runs strong, delivering that signature Harley rumble you can feel through the frame. At just $2,500, this is an entry-level Harley with authentic soul. Not a showpiece, but a rideable vintage machine that's ready for the open road. Number 4. 1985 Honda Goldwing Limited Edition, $3,200, Alabaster, Alabama. Honda's Goldwing defined luxury touring, and this 1985 LTD edition carries that spirit perfectly. It's clean, smooth, and ready to ride with new front and rear tires. The seller still takes it out regularly, proving it's not just a garage queen. They're open to trades, but if you want an affordable touring legend, this is a fully functional classic Goldwing under $3,500. Motorcycle number 5, 1971 BSA Victor 441, $1,500, Charleston, South Carolina. The BSA Victor is a rare sight today, and this one is a full project bike with a ton of potential. All original and unmodified, it's been sitting for years, but the engine still turns smoothly. You'll need to clean the carb, check wiring, and service the brakes, but it comes with new tires, cables, and an aluminum tank that's rust-free. For someone who enjoys restoration, this could become a true vintage British thumper worth far more than the asking price. Six, 1981 Kawasaki KZ, $2,500, Pensacola, Florida. Kawasaki's KZ series built a reputation for bulletproof reliability and classic looks. This 1981 KZ is a strong-running survivor, ideal for either riding or a full resto mod project. The seller says it starts and rides great with a new battery already installed. A fantastic base for anyone who wants an 80s Japanese standard that's simple, tough, and endlessly customizable. Number 7, 1973 Triumph Bonneville 750, $2,800, Clyde, North Carolina. This 1973 Triumph T140 Bonneville is a pure piece of British motorcycling heritage. It's powered by a 750cc twin with a 5-speed gearbox, and it's been refreshed with new tires, new seat cover, and rebuilt carbs. Starts easily, runs strong, and still carries that unmistakable Triumph exhaust note. Whether you ride it as is or perform a cosmetic restoration, this Bonneville remains one of the most collectible classics under $3,000. Number 8, 1984 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 3, $9,500, Austin, Texas. Now we step into Italian art. The 1984 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 3 is a design and engineering masterpiece, and this example is 98% original. It runs beautifully, looks incredible, and has been preserved rather than restored. The seller doesn't ride it often to keep it pristine, but will let it go to the right collector. A clean Texas title and that timeless Le Mans silhouette make this one a dream bike for Guzzi fans. Nine, 1975 Suzuki TS250, $4,000, Wileca, Florida. A time capsule from the golden age of enduro bikes. This Suzuki TS250 has only 3,600 miles, runs perfectly, and has been professionally repainted to match the 1971 color scheme. Everything works except the horn, and it even comes with the original tank and fenders. This one's great for collectors or riders who want a light, capable vintage dual sport with real history. Ten, 1961 Changjiang CJ750, $5,900, Wesley Chapel, Florida. Finally, something truly unique. The 1961 Changjiang CJ750, a military sidecar bike with a fascinating backstory. Originally based on the BMW R71, the design traveled through Russia before production began in China. This one has been lovingly maintained and comes with over $5,000 in spare parts. With its 750cc boxer flathead engine and sidecar, it's both a conversation piece and a piece of world motorcycling history. Which one would you take home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to MotoMarket Explorer for more classic motorcycle finds every day. Ride safe and keep the vintage spirit alive.